Hey, what's happening? Southern Handyman. I'm down here in North Georgia, my dad's house. Hurricane Helene went through here and knocked down about 8 trees on the property, and one of them fell on the house. It was a glancing blow, but it did some damage. Now I know that there's places that have gotten so much more damage than this place, so I'm not trying to take away from any of that. Western North Carolina and South Carolina, whew, coming through there was a nightmare. And then of course Florida, Georgia, Alabama. There's plenty of damage to go around, and a lot worse than this, but one lucky person in this house for sure. I'm going to show you some of the damage and take you around and look at the trees, and then we're going to get this mess cleaned up. I just built this fence, you might know from a video that I had out just a few months ago. This tree here fell on the house. It's about 50 foot tall. And here's some of the damage. I had to get up there last night in the dark. I would have videoed it, but it was dark, so you wouldn't have been able to see nothing. But there's damage to the house. This is what I gotta fix. I'm not fixing it today, obviously, but I am gonna get this cleaned up and get out of here. I gotta get that fence repaired, because the whole reason we made the fence was so the dogs could run around in the yard. You know, do their business. There's 2 trees down right there. I couldn't even get in here, all the way in here last night when I got here, because the driveway's covered up. Those 2 trees are down. Tree right here down. This is the driveway. Between those 2 trees standing right here, that's all driveway. So these 2 trees need cut up, at least cleared off the drive. This is a root from this big giant. That thing's about, from grade, it's about 7 feet tall. Total, it's more like 9 feet from down at the bottom of the hole to up there. But this is a root coming down through here, and it's still connected right there. It come out here. Oh, look. Somebody got disturbed. He's a survivor. Both of them, apparently. Surviving. Hi, little feller. Looking for a new house? Alright, well, I'm going to let you get at it. That hole is 3 to 4 feet deep, right there. This tree goes down here, and it took out that tree right there. You can see that root ball there. This tree hit that tree and knocked it down. Looks like it broke this one. It took the one tree down and broke that one. See, that one's broken. So that tree, that one tree right there took out 1, 2, 3, 4 trees that we can see. This tree here that's down, that tree's probably 60 to 75 feet tall. There's another one back there. And this root ball here, it's gigantic. That is a massive root ball that got tore out right here. I'm here to tell you, a lot of roots. This is big. That's probably 12, 14 feet across. Big old oak tree. This is the first time anybody's been down here to look at this mess. Squirrel down there. I'm trying to keep an eye out up there in case there's other limbs that haven't fallen yet. And this is a smaller root ball. It's about 7 feet tall up to that top root. The ball itself's about 6. This went right over here. Looks like it hit the shooting shack. Yep, just caught the front edge of it there. Oh yeah, pulled the inboard off. Just came all the way over here. It did some damage to that tree. Didn't knock it over. That was a pretty big tree too. This work is not all going to get done today. Here. I'm here to get the driveway cleared and get that area on the back side of the house there cleaned up. Insurance guy's coming tomorrow. I might stay for that, I don't know. We'll see. So there's an assessment of it. There's trees down everywhere. We got air conditioning unit behind that white fence. I don't know how this big tree missed it, but it did. It's running. We'll get a closer look at it here shortly. This tree come down, destroyed that fence right in there. And all that. So I'm gonna get this stuff cut up and get it out of here. And we'll move on from there. There ain't a chainsaw available for 100 miles or more. good little saw. It's only 24 volt, but it's 12-inch bar. It cuts really nice. Pretty good little lemon saw, I guess. Bam, got it. That's a good 9-inch log there.
Oh yeah, she's heavy. Oh, wow. Very, very heavy. Oh, wow, that's really heavy. Goodness gracious.
What is this tree made out of? Lead? It's an oak tree, so I guess, you know, shouldn't be too surprised at how heavy it is. Right. Okay, you can see this little dent right there, that damage right there. That was caused from the tree coming across the peak, coming down, hitting that antenna. That thing's facing, obviously you can see it's facing the wrong way. Hitting that and twisting it around, and then coming around and hitting that fascia. And then you can see there's damage here. You can see the curvature right there, about 2/3, 75% of the way up there. It's right there. That's broken, which means this may have to replace this whole eave over here, or we might be able to scab something in right there. But all of it down through there is destroyed. Siding underneath, those things. I'm just having a brain fart on those things today. The shutters. And then I got all this cleaned up. Now, I know. I didn't have all you here to tell me how to do that, but it's temporary. We'll get that all done later. It just needs to keep the dogs in for now. So, but we got that tree cut back to there. That's about 18 inches around right there. And down at the base, it's about 2 feet. Here's a big pile of debris that we chopped off of there, off the roof and out of this area. And there's more here. We'll get all that squared away. There's the housing debris over there. But it's a pretty nasty looking mess right there, honestly. And hopefully, you know, we can get that taken care of rather quickly. AC unit seemed to have survived. She's been running. There's no real damage to it that's visible. Any obvious damage to this grate here, the grill, or the panels outside of it. What kind is this? What kind of unit we got here?
So we got.
It's a train. Taken care of. Got, like I say, got it all cleaned up, and then we got this. She's a mess. I got that tarp over it. I'm gonna have to pull that corner down and strap it down here, make sure it doesn't blow off. But the adjuster's got to look at it somehow. So I'll figure all that out. But you can see right above the window right there, the header's gone. Board across it's gone. You see one over there. See that board in there? It's gone. Tree did a number on the house. For no more than it hit, it did a number on it. Alright. So that's that. That's the tour. Grand tour. 9 trees down total. A lot of work here. A lot of work. But I gotta tell you, I know that this is, in the big picture, this is minor damage. Minor damage. The Carolina, North Carolina, and western South Carolina, other parts of Georgia, Alabama got hammered. And I'm going to take away from them. I know that there are people still right now with no power, no water, nothing. And you know, our prayers continue to go out for those people. And I hope they get help and relief soon, because that storm did a number. I'm telling you what. This here, easy stuff. Was no real flooding here or nothing, but just an inconvenience, and they're elderly people, so it's important. But again, no lives were lost here, and we're just thankful that it wasn't worse. Till the next time, I'll see ya.